Today I'm going to show you how to import in Todoist step by step using the web app or the desktop client. This is a super useful feature if you already have a task list, project outline, or template saved in a file and you want to bring it into Todoist quickly instead of building everything from scratch. Whether you're organizing work, school, personal goals, or a team workflow, importing can save a lot of time and help you stay consistent. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Todoist web app or launch the Todoist desktop client. You can do this from your browser if you're on a computer, or open the app if you already have it installed. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and choose the project where you want the import to happen. If you already have an existing project, click that project to open it. If you want to start fresh, click the plus icon to create a brand new blank project first. Now that your project is open, look to the top right corner of the project window. You should see the three dots icon, which is usually where Todoist keeps project options and extra settings. Click those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Import from Template. This is the option that lets you bring in prepared content rather than adding every task manually. Depending on what file you're using, Todoist may guide you through a few prompts so it knows how to process the import correctly. Next, upload your file. Click the Upload option and choose the file from your computer. Make sure you select the correct file so your tasks or project information import properly. If you're using a template, list, or compatible file format, Todoist will read the content and begin building the project structure for you. Once the file is uploaded, review the import details carefully. This is important because you want to make sure the tasks, sections, or project items are coming in the way you expect. If everything looks good, confirm the import and let Todoist finish the process. After that, your imported content should appear inside the project. At this point, you can go through it and make any final edits, like adjusting task names, due dates, priorities, labels, or sections. That way, your Todoist project is fully customized and ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to import in Todoist using the web app or desktop client. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference when you want to move faster and stay organized. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.